Hello everyone, welcome back to SK CAD Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in SolidWorks software. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Select Extrude, select the top plane, create circle, give the dimension 60 mm, from here to here 75 mm. Give the vertical constraint, select line, give the constraint here, give the horizontal constraint for this line, create circle, create here dia 30 circle. Create sketch like this, give the dimension, this is 25 mm. Select circle, give the dimension 60 mm. This dimension is 60 mm. Give the vertical constraint, select line, give the tangent constraint both sides, select circle, create dia 30 circle. So that's it. Trim the unwanted lines. So sketch is fully defined now. Finish sketch. Select this face. Here select mid plane 25 mm. Next select sketch, extrude, select this face, mid plane, length is 75 mm. Next select same sketch, extrude, select this face, length we required 25 mm. Here select offset we required 12.5 mm. Select sketch again, extrude, select the same surface, reverse the direction, offset we required 12.5 mm, reverse the offset. Okay. So you can compare, friends, all the features are added. Now we can go to assign material, select here which material you require. I will go with aluminum, polished aluminum. Edit appearances, we can edit the color like this. So that's the today's session, friends. I hope you enjoy this session, and also I am requesting everyone, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Thanks for watching this session, friends.